Good morning, students. I'm your Ritesh sir, and today's our topic is a Thomson model of atom. After the discovery of electron and proton, there was a big question: how the charged particles are distributed in an atom? Then J.J. Thomson in 1898 proposed first model of atom. He proposed that an atom may be regarded as a sphere carrying positive charged proton. This reddish color is the color of proton in which negatively charged are embedded. Negatively charged are embedded to make the atom as a whole neutral. This model of an atom is also called Thomson plum pudding model. Due to lack of experimental evidence, this model was discarded. According to this model, an atom is a sphere of radius 10 to the power minus 10 meter. And this model is also known as resin pudding or watermelon method. This model successfully explains the neutrality of an atom, but it could not explain the stability of atom. Stability of atom means how the positive charged particles are shielded from the negatively charged particle without getting neutralized. After that, in 1911, Rutherford scattering experiment. There was a scattering experiment happened. Rutherford scattering experiment. Ernest Rutherford, Hans Jaeger, and Ernest Madsden. They are three scientists involved in discovery of nucleus or a Rutherford scattering experiment. This experiment is conducted by these three scientists on a gold foil by alpha parting scattering. What now? The question is, what is alpha particle? Alpha particle. Before understanding alpha particle, let us understand radioactivity. Some elements or substance can emit or radiate energy or ray. The phenomena of spontaneous emission of certain highly active radiations by radioactive substance is known as radioactivity. When the radiation emitted we are allowed to pass through an electric field, or you can say magnetic field also. Pass through an electric field. One type of ray were deflected towards negative plate, one type deflected towards positive plate, negative plate, positive plate, and one is neutral. These were named as alpha, beta, and gamma particles. Those particles which are attracted by positive here, the negative plate, it means these alpha particles are positively charged particles, that's why they are attracted towards negative plate. Beta particles are attracted toward positive plate, and gamma particles are undeflected particles. Now, out of these three particles, alpha particle have very low penetrating power. like that. Alpha particles are least penetrating and beta particles are 100 times more penetrating capacity beta power beta rays have than alpha, and gamma have 1000 times stronger penetration power than alpha. Now, what is our alpha particle scattering experiment? After passing alpha particle or bombardment of alpha particle on this gold foil, the uh, the rays will fall on circular screen coated with zinc sulfide. Like that. Then Rutherford observed that most of alpha particles pass through the gold foil undeflected. Approximately 99% of alpha particles were deflected, undeflected. Some were deflected by small angle, some were deflected by large angle, some were deflected by angle more than 90, approximately 180. Very few particles were deflected by 180 out of 20,000 even come back. Then Rutherford conclude that as most of alpha particle pass through the atoms of gold foil undeflected, means most of space inside the atom is empty. A few of alpha particles were deflected from their original path by large angle. Concluded that whole of positive charge is concentrated at the sphere occupies by positive charge, which is very small in volume. Then Rutherford named that center as nucleus, and radius of nucleus is approximately equal to 10 to the power minus 15 meter. That is radius of nucleus is 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Now Rutherford proposed a nuclear model of atom, which also known as planetary model. According to that model, it is our proton and electrons are revolving around that model, just like planets are revolving around sun. Planets are revolving around sun. Okay, thank you.